A little bit of a open up the track drill. Riders like to sit in the line that they know, they're comfortable, they trust, and it's hard to move around mid-race because you just want to stick to where you're at. But this drill is designed to force them to the edges. So we've got a pit board, we'll be giving them lefts and rights, and we've already worked the track in this way so they can go far edge left, far edge right, and every lap I'll give them a pit board, whatever it is, they got to do it, and I'm going to be having them move around a lot. The goal is to confuse them, and they need to get comfortable being confused. That way in a race, they got to move over and make a move. It's not a big deal.
Kind of just keep us actively thinking, because you get this late in the season too, the laps are so repetitive you can just do it almost with your brain off. So it's nice to just be able to think about it and kind of just keep yourself sharpened on your toes and focused. And then we also did a little bit of sprint laps before that and just working on first lap intensity and also blocking the insides on the first lap and being aggressive in the first few turns to capitalize on some early positioning. So we worked on that, which is good for race day. And then it's pretty much the moto, and I think we got some gym and we'll be done for the day.
Had a good free practice in first qualifier. Track's really good today, and it's nice to be close to home.
Were you, I think I remember you being here in 2023, right?
Yeah, I was in Futures class a couple years ago, so coming back to a venue is always nice. The last time I was here, we were able to miss the rain we were before, but hopefully have a nice cloudy overcast day and the rain will stay away.
I kind of missed the no free practice, just straight into qualifying, kind of a quicker day. I don't know. I think it's something they need to look into, but I kind of miss that a little bit.
Why is that? Just because you know what you need to do, so it's easier to just come in and get it done?
Yeah, well, I being 450B practice. The track's always at the back end of being hammered. So normally when we do free practice, we do 6 practices out there that don't matter, and then going in the qualifying one, they can only touch up so many things with the time they have. So the track is really bad for us, and it's almost kind of a waste of a practice. Otherwise, like I said, feeling good and ready to go.
Feeling great. First race back in a while, and I'm looking forward to getting after it tonight. Yeah, I'm pumped to be a part of this team. It's awesome. Everybody here has my back 100%, and we all have the same goal, same effort into everything. We want to win, and we want to be up front. Oh yeah, I think I was P11 overall. So I'll take that first race back, like I said. Yeah, I want to get through healthy and get inside the top 10 tonight. That's my goal, and I think it's achievable.
Finally got a free practice, 2 weeks of just straight qualifying. So. Track was definitely bulky. They beefed up all the jumps this weekend, so the transitions were just a little bit sketchy. Qualifying went good for me. Got, I believe, P5 and squeezed it in right at the last lap there. But really it's just a lot of tight turns and just really the whoops. It's kind of hard to do anything different. The rhythms with the jumps being so steep. So just gonna try and go out through this last session. It's probably gonna be a lot fresher and a lot easier for us. And try and go out and maybe squeeze a little bit better time and maybe come out P3.
Yeah, we're here at East Rutherford at Live Stadium. Done with first qualifying. It's in P10. Feeling a little, just need to find my flow a little bit. Track's pretty tough, so just having fun with it. Trying to just do what I do during the week, and that's be faster. So results will come, but just baby steps and try to be better each time I go out there.
Yeah, it's going good. Excited to go racing tonight. Track's going to be technical and tricky tonight, which I'm looking forward to. So just ready to get the night going.
East Rutherford this weekend, so far so good. We got good weather, no rain, which is a nice change of pace. And track's really tricky and challenging. Rhythms are really tough, back-to-back pretty big sets of whoops. They're very difficult. And felt good. That one was able to qualify first in the first qualifier, so that's always nice. Got one more coming up, see where that puts us, but feeling good today.
New York this weekend, New Jersey. Kind of a home race for me, grew up an hour from here, so it's definitely special being back around here. Haven't raced here since 2019, so looking to make it a good night. It feels early, man. It's we got up real early this morning, so just getting through it and almost time to go racing, just figuring some stuff out. It just has a good vibe to it. I mean, it's cool being around where you grew up, and for sure, and seeing familiar faces. So, we'll take that into, wear it on our heart and go out there and do the best we can.
You hear those revs rise, drop the gate, let's do it. Heat 2 of the 250s. Good start, Nate Thrasher. There we go. Checkered flag for Nate Thrasher, well done. Right from the drop of the gate. Bryce Shelley on the inside of Chandler Baker. Chandler fighting to make his second main event and did it like that, right on the line. Heat 2, 450s here in Jersey. Gates down. But it's Justin Cooper who leads the way from Cooper Webb. But here comes the points leader, leaping into the lead to the joy of the crowd. So perfect setup for the afternoon. Both championship rivals winning both the 450 heats. 250 main, we're back in New Jersey, let's do it! It's Nate Thrasher on the inside, he's done what he did in his heat! Watch Thrasher to the right of your screen.
Oh no, he goes down.
Hey, a little further back is Devin Simonson. He showed us some great speed earlier this morning, and then he went on with it in his heat, and here he is running 8th, which would be a career best.
Yeah, man, it was pretty good. Got a good start. I think I ran 6th for like maybe 10 minutes. Can't lie, I've rode Supercross like 6 times in the past 4 months since I've been hurt, and yeah, I faded a bit to like 9th, I think, and yeah, man, it was a good race overall. I got 3rd in the heat, 9th in the main, and yeah, man, not much to complain about honestly here, and go back to work this week and put in some more reps, and hopefully come back better in what is that, Philly or Pittsburgh, I think, Philly, one of the two. But yeah, man, I'm pumped on the night.
Just confident again. Like I broke through that like scared barrier I was bad since when I crashed on my out. I built my confidence back up. Now I'm not scared of them at all, which is nice. Yeah. Even when I get sideways now, I'm like my feet are tight. Yeah, it's like I don't ever get sketchy with it. I got one sketchy one time where it didn't even get sideways; it just kicked up.
Supercross back in New Jersey, 450 main time. Webb said last week, after he had to watch Sexton beat him across the line, I'll come back and I'll get the business done next week. And it's fair to say, this is not the afternoon that we were expecting in New Jersey.
No, it wasn't, especially as we get down to the end here in the championship.
The points leader, Cooper Webb, is a distant second, but will bring home valuable points, but loses another 3 to his rival.
Yeah, up and down day today in East Rutherford. Practice was a good day for me, and then won my heat race, which was great. Yeah, main event, just got beat straight up, and just was atrocious in the whoops, man. It's a bummer because we've been really focused on whoops this year, but can't say I've seen any like that with ruts all the way down them and still blitzing them. So yeah, I just got to be better there. And with that being said, I tried to, you know, overcompensate in the whoops and got a little tight, got some arm pump, and yeah, he rode away from me. So bit of a bummer, but we'll be back.